Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, there's a classic literary piece called The Never Ending Story, written in the late 70s by a German writer called Michael End. So I am reminded of this piece by the ongoing saga between Festus Keyamo, Charly Boy, Deji Adeyanju, and millions and hundreds of millions of naira, because this certainly is a never-ending saga. So now, the story first broke when Deji confronted Charly Boy, and this was secretly recorded. This was how the news came into the public consciousness. So Deji confronted Charly Boy when he heard that Charly Boy had gone to collect monies from APC. That's been covered on this channel, so there's a video on this channel that you can watch to catch up with that. And then Charly Boy subsequently went into the media or onto the media to rebut that and to say that the money that he collected was for license for APC to use his music as a campaign jingle. So now that's the video that we've just now recently uploaded on this channel. So now the latest development is now Festus Keyamo's say on the whole situation. Like I said, a never-ending saga. So let me read you this. Festus Keyamo reacts to Charly Boy's allegation that he paid for Atiku this song. Festus Keyamo has reacted to the allegation that he paid Charly Boy money running into 9 digits to release an Atiku this song. In an exclusive interview, Keyamo denied the allegation, stressing that it is unimaginable that he will pay for a diss song. Anybody who thinks that I will pay 1 naira for a song that also abuses APC, you know the song also abuses APC. It says both APC and PDP are the same. Anybody who thinks I would pay 1 naira for that kind of song, that person should go and examine his head, he said. Recall that Charly Boy had alleged that Keyamo came to his office, heard a song he was working on for Atiku before the elections and paid him some money for it. He admitted the money was in 9 figures, mentioning no specific amount. 9 figures will represent any amount of money from 100 million to 999,999,000 naira, 999 naira. I didn't read that right, but you get the gist. The song, Another Guy Man, was posted to YouTube on January 25. It has 6,693 views and 44 comments on Charly Boy's channel. So now here we have it. Now the story goes on, and as I said in the previous video, that amount of money could not have been for a jingle, and I think Festus Keyamo has now come out to back up my instinct and my comment, because I stood firm on that opinion that that monies could not have been for a diss track or whatever it is that Charly Boy is alleging. So clearly that money is bribe money. So Festus Keyamo, what has he actually said? The one thing that he has said is that he would not pay a naira for a song, especially a song that also disses the party that he represents. And this is the counter argument that we're making on behalf, conversely rather, to argue against Charly Boy as well, that you would not pay anything towards something that you're opposed. And this is what Keyamo is saying, that I would not pay anything to something that is opposed to a stance that I have taken. Now, we do not agree with Festus Keyamo's stance, but certainly you cannot fault the logic of that reasoning, although the premise itself is false, but the logic is not false. So now that's the first bit. So what Keyamo said, because Keyamo is a lawyer, you have to understand, and it's quite deliberate in his choice of words. So he said he would not pay a naira for a song that disrespects his own party, but he did not say and he did not deny that he did not pay a naira to Charly Boy. So you can see the distinction there, because the first port of call, if he had not paid any money to Charly Boy, that would be the first port of call, that would be the first instinctual response, that no, why would I have any need to pay Charly Boy anything? So he did not say he did not pay Charly Boy anything. He said he did not pay Charly Boy for a diss track. So now the question still is left hanging out there, that did he pay Charly Boy? And really, by act of omission, he has confirmed, really, because by not denying it, he has affirmed it, that he did pay Charly Boy. So if he now paid Charly Boy, but he has now said that that payment was not for the diss track, then what is it for? Because I've been seeing one or two comments now that are trying to defend Charly Boy, that the fruits of his labor is what is gaining from, etc., etc. So now the fruit of that labor has now been removed from the argument. So now, what now is that money for? That is really where we are now in this never-ending saga. So a never-ending saga, festus Keyamo, Charly Boy, hundreds of millions of naira, and Deji Adeyanju wants his own cut. So that's the situation, that's the state of play. Nigerian politics is better than any movie that you'd ever watch. What are your thoughts? Let's share opinions in the comment section. But before we go share opinions in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the notification bell as well so you're notified as soon as I drop a vid. Once you've done that, meet me in the comment section, because this is quite a juicy one that we can really dig into. So let's dig into it together. Bring your forks and knives and let's go into the comment section and make a meal of this. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, and I'll say peace.